Come test drive the 2017 Chevy Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, power brakes, auto-off headlights, remote trunk release, running boards. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.